Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am here with another cool episode of What is Inside. Looking at that picture, you probably just saw what the heck is this guy going to do with one of these things? Well, today, folks, it is time for me to say goodbye to the Sony Dream Machine. This is an FM AM clock radio alarm clock. I've already taken the screws off just to make it a little bit easier. And I've already got the top come off here. It's got the nice little monitor board. Ooh, it's got some good stuff in here today. Now let's see if I can get this part off. You know how these are, right? They don't want to come off, and they don't want to come off. They don't want to come off. But let's see if I can just go like this. It doesn't want to come off. Alright. I might as well show you first on the top there. It's got the cord for it. Speaker. It's got all your little gadgets. Clock, time, alarm, sleep, radio. Buzzer. I think that's what that said. Radio off, on, and alarm mode. Alright. Start it. A piece of plastic just fell. And there we are. I'm going to turn you guys, lift this up so you guys can see what I see. Alright. So, there's the speaker. This is for the radio, which is right there. The speaker, it's got the dial and the button, which I just took out. So the dial's on the bottom. This is the board here, which has the time. Let's take that right off. See? There's your time board. Got all the nice little gadgets in there. That's your timer, tells you what the time is. It's got all the nice little gadgets in here. Circuit board. This is the main electrical panel. Right here, as you can see, the plug goes around it. And it goes right into there. It came apart pretty quickly. This is the Sony circuit board. So there's probably an antenna for the radio, which was this guy. This looks like this was your radio antenna. It's got some coils over here. I'll show you those. It's all nice. Nicely done by the Sony guys. The radio, alarm, everything's all labeled here. So the radio and alarm. You got your circuits. So that radio alarm button was connected to this. See this thing sliding? So that was to tell you what the clock and the radio. It has the buttons. So these are all the buttons here. All these little black things. So that is what the inside of the Sony Dream Machine FM AM clock radio ICF C202 alarm clock. Very, very cool. Very, very neat. It's so small. There is a battery compartment right here. So this cord, if you looked at this, I'm just gonna grab this out. So this is where your battery, if you didn't want to plug it in, you could use a battery. And the battery goes right into there. and it also controlled the circuit for the speaker. Very, very cool. Well, everybody, this has been what is inside the Sony Dream Machine FM AM clock radio. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down on the bottom. I like doing these videos. They're very fun. It's nice to get inside of electronics and look at what kind of circuits they have and what kind of gadgets they use. And yeah, there's the volume button. It's just a pretty cool thing. So that is that. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I like doing these. This is such a cool thing to do on my channel, besides doing my normal daily vlogs. So, but yeah, like I said, if you're new to the channel, leave me a like. If you want to subscribe, if you're new and you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. I don't do these that often. I haven't done one in a while, but they're fun, and yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave me a comment if you want to. If you guys want me to do something that I haven't done. Usually I'm just doing stuff that we're getting rid of. This was going out anyway because I have one in the bedroom, and well, this one's been just sitting in our closet. So, but yeah, that's it for today on this episode of What Is Inside. You all take care, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, everybody.